We are a threefold being, meaning we are mind, body, and spirit. So when you're dealing with business and you're dealing with life, you have to also network that way, knowing that you are threefold. You have to be an individual, you have to be a business, you have to be a product if you want to get over the top. You just can't be in one lane and think, oh, I'm doing good enough. Nah, if you are three, then you have to network in threes to get ahead. And I know this might sound crazy, but I had to embrace this myself. I had to learn how to hustle my time. I had to learn how to hustle my mind. And I had to learn how to hustle with my hands. And that's the same thing you're going to have to do if you're going to get ahead. You have to be three